Just a disclaimer, these aren't hickeys on my boobs, they're bug bites. They've been here for a week. I mean, I don't know what you want me to do about it. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and finally today I get to show you guys what I've been wanting to show y'all for weeks. So if you saw my last video last week, you saw me showing y'all the wigs, and I say probably about when this video uploads, it'll be 2 weeks ago that I went to a hair store, and actually I went to just go get braiding hair, and something was just calling me over. It was like, hey, go over there, and I was just like, ooh, okay. So I went over and I saw just a plethora of wigs, and at first I was just like, let me just look around and play around and stuff. So I look at the wigs, they're beauty supply wigs, so they're not that cute, so you kind of really gotta look. And then I get into it, and then they had wigs on the head, they had plastic heads, being the wigs, so you actually can go up and look at the lace and all that stuff. So I went in, I started looking, took some pictures of wigs, because at first I was like, man, let me show my friends, what's going on. But all of them were busy, so I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna figure it out for myself. And I did, and I had to pick between a blonde one and a black one, and I decided to get both. They both had pretty good parting, and I liked the feel of it. They both felt pretty good. In today's video, basically, we're gonna just kind of keep on my my wig streak, and we're gonna take them out of the packages, take them around, see how they are, and try to see if we can fix them up. Because if all goes right, I can hopefully wear this wig tomorrow because I have a shoot. And I'm actually thinking about maybe recording that for you guys, kind of give you a day in my life, even though I don't usually do that. It's just whatever. Let's just go ahead and get started. So, as you see, I take it out the net. It's pretty extra, if you want to call it. The curls, I definitely comb these out. They're kind of doing too much for me. I think actually what I want to do first, I want to put it on the wig head so we can kind of so me and you can both see it, I guess. If you peep my lace lifting, it's because I'm slowly trying to peel it off before I have to use water, because I know sometimes it gets wet enough that I can just yank it off. So just so you know. Anyways, so okay, so this is how it looks. It smells kind of funny, I'm not even gonna lie to you. It has pretty nice parting. It has probably, I'd say this is about maybe 2-3 inches. It's straight, and I don't do middle parts anyway, so it's fine. And I probably this is what I would do. This is me all day. So that's pretty good. It's kind of, I don't know how I should feel. I feel like this is pretty close to my skin complexion. I don't think I'd have to bleach the lace. Okay, I feel like it's pretty decent. The curls are kind of extra, but you can always comb those out. Yep. I mean, look at the plucking. Actually, I say it's pretty decent. I mean, if I were to just slap this on my head and wear it, I don't think it'd be that bad. So let me move it a little more so you can see it. It's decent. I feel like maybe you go back in and pluck just to kind of make it less uniform. But other than that, I think it's pretty straight. Just so you guys can see it again. definitely gonna go in and pluck because the hairline looks way too fake. I feel like other than that, fits pretty snug. I think it's pretty cute. What y'all think? I low-key want to go and wash it too. And also kind of thin it out, because look how much it is. Like, gosh, just like maybe y'all see my little braids. It's like maybe kind of go like this, layer by layer, and just kind of like snip off some because it needs to be. Ooh, it's already kinking up. Is the color beautiful? Yeah. Do I like the color on me? I don't know. Maybe like when it comes to life, I can fix it. But so I forgot to shoot an outro because this was late at night when I did this, and like as soon as I got done thinning it out, basically I was just like, forget it. I just threw it on in the morning and went about my day. But I do have some pictures and stuff, so I put the pictures up, and then I have like a pile of hair, like basically showing you like how much I actually thinned it out, like how, you know, basically showing you, like the ending of me thinning out, like the process. But that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Brianna V Moon, and follow me on Twitter at EasyTalkMa. Thank you guys so much. Like, share, subscribe. Bye.